What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to take a look at this headset. This is going to be something that you can use if you work from home. You need to do a Zoom call, some type of conference call. If you work in a call center or office and it requires you to wear a headset that is wired. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. All right, so once you get this out of the box, you're going to get your user manual, and this is going to be the headset itself here. So this is just going to be a nice, simple design. This is going to be USB-A compatible. So this is going to be able to work in any computer that you plug it into. And there's no software that is needed or anything. It's just plug and play. Your computer will recognize the headset and microphone, and you should be good to go. Now, this is going to be a closer look at the headset. You can see that it has this nice design. The pads are really soft. So this is going to be something that's going to be really comfortable. So you don't have to worry about a lot of weight on your head. You have padding up top as well. And the microphone itself is going to be flexible, and you can turn it up and down. It rotates all the way up. And this way you can put the microphone in the position that you want. You don't have to worry about this being, a fixed mic. And if you need it closer to your face or further away, you have that flexibility there. Also, the adjustments are right here on the side. Just give it a slight pull down and that adjusts. And so this is going to be a nice basic headset to go with if you need something really quick to get the job done. So to give you an idea of how this looks on, I'm going to put this on. And you can see you can rotate the mic down that way. And this is just going to be a nice basic design. It is really lightweight. It almost feels like there's nothing on. You have some noise cancellation. So once I put this on, I can barely hear the room environment. It's nice and muffled. So this way I can hear my calls really clear, and you have this nice flexible mic. So this way the person on the other end will be able to hear you. So guys, this is just going to be a nice, basic, affordable headset that you can pick up if you need for work, something that you don't have to worry about getting messed up. You can just use this really quick, throw in the bag, and get the job done. So hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.